You can also tell bash to redirect standard output and standard error to the same place. Here, using the ampersand to represent both 1 and 2. And I can see that everything's there. You can also redirect to a special location called dev null if you just want to get rid of and ignore the output from a command. For example, I could redirect the output of ls to dev null, and the results just go off into the great blue nowhere, never to be seen again. There's a handy tool called Grep, which lets you search files for specific patterns of text. This can come in handy when you're searching through log files or if you just want to get one piece of output from a command that returns a lot of information. Of course, there's way too much cool stuff that Grep does for me to cover in this movie, but I'll show you a couple examples. If you want to learn more about what Grep can do, check out its man page with the command man grep. So first, let's take a look at a log file. I've got a log file here called auth.log. It's a modified version of an authentication log from a computer that was left exposed to the internet for a few days. It's got a whole bunch of failed login attempts from different addresses, and it's over 18,000 lines long. Not something you'd want to have to scroll through by hand. Now, of course, I've changed the addresses to example values, so the IPs and servers you see don't exist on the internet. So I could use nano or cat to see the contents, but I want to search for my username. So I'll clear the screen here. So I'll use grep followed by the search term, in this case my username, followed by the name of the file that I want to work with, auth.log. Notice how the search term is highlighted. You may not see this on your system. I like to enable the color output because it makes things stand out a bit more. You can use the color option, that's -- color equals auto, on individual lines, or you can type export grep _ options, all caps, equals -- color equals auto to enable it all the time.